think it shoots good. No, it's really quick, really smooth. Anyways, guys. What is going on, guys? Tony from M170R Paintball. Today I'm here going to be shooting the M170R, but the infamous edition, the infamous version. We're going to see if this bad boy shoots any better than the standard. Shouldn't, but it might. And here we are, Spire 3 SL2 tank. Let's shoot this bad boy, see what it has to offer. Got to me, Mark? You got me, Dad?
I got you.
Oh, I can't hit nothing. Oh. Liking it. I mean, stock barrel and all. Just gonna do this.
Wait,
so,
is that mechanical?
Yeah, you just give it the old trigger fan. No, it is mechanical. It shoots really nice.
Here, don't shoot me. I will set those back up.
Oh, okay, that's fine. While he's doing that, he's covering his head. He's so sad. Once again, M170R mechanical version, obviously infamous. And hey, Dad, you gonna hurry up and set those up? I am shooting GI 4-star paint, which is good paint, but I'm just shooting the stock barrel on the gun, so accuracy could be a player problem, most likely. Barrel problem, a little bit big, I would say.
Oh,
so
do you want me to call targets out?
Sure.
So we'll go 1 to 10 from left to right?
Sure.
So 4. 7. Oh, wait. There you go. 7. That was 8. You can't count.
Well, I was bad at math. You already know this.
So,
go.
So 7.
7. We're back at 7. I hit 7, but it didn't go down.
Keep it down.
Oh, come on.
10. 1. 3. 5.
6. Paintballs. Go ahead. 5 still?
Still waiting for 5.
Okay. Everywhere but in the
6. 9.
Oh, Tina. Okay. 9. 1, 2. Okay, there we go.
Oh.
9. Yeah, it took a while, but once again, we're shooting old tournament paint. Paint shoots great. Barrel, definitely not sized to the right bore, but once again, M170R shoots amazing. Honestly, it shoots. It's super smooth. The gun is fantastic. Mark, tell me what you think. Honestly, what do you think?
Well, it's a sexy gun. So pretty.
I think it shoots good. No, it's really quick, really smooth. Anyways, guys, yeah, final comments before we close this bad boy out.
Does it come in any other color other than black?
Can't tell you.
Oh.
Can't tell you.
Wait, these aren't in the online store?
Can't tell you. Possibly. Go to M170R.com. Check out our online store. They might be there. They might not be, depending on when you guys see this video, and they could be sold out by then. So go check them out, guys.
Can I get that hopper at Lone Wolf?
You definitely can, and you can get the tank at Lone Wolf too.
How about that shirt?
Yeah. Yep. And we're out.
How about that tactical wristband you got going on?
Nope.
No.
Mine. Can't have it. M170R.com, JerkyDen.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Quick shooting video of the M170R infamous edition. And if he doesn't have any more questions for me, we're out of here.